57. An Eagle 55. It's 100-mile-per-hour helicopter, and it's ready to blast up in the air. 100-meter polo club. Here it goes. I think I could drive this. Here it goes, here it goes. Oh, whoa, 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 how high is that? Oh, whoa, 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 wow, wow, wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. The eagle is still alive. How completely is that? The Eagle 57 is landing nice and safe. Thank you for watching the Eagle review. And you want to see one more replay? Just do this. Wait for a while. Alright, this is Warfield, Wingfield, where the Eagle will be taking off in the 16th century. It is a polo club where eagles get to take off. And here's one that is taking off. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Oh, whoa, whoa. Check that out, check that out, check it. Ah, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's still flying, go, go, go. Oh, wow. It's too high over. No. How okay is that? Still alive. Let's see if it wants to do one more flight. Let's see then. Flying, 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 and it's landing back in its drop. Here it goes. The Eagle 57 now is going in Wingfield, South Warfield. Let's see it again. Wow, wow! Whoa, how high is that Wingfield 57 Eagle? Wow, still flying by. Flying! Oh, whoa, whoa! Bouncing off the track. Whoa! Whoa! That was a fine ride. One more ride and then we'll see you tomorrow. It's the Eagle 57 Thursday. Wow, wow, whoa! Wow! One more takeoff and this will be the best. Whoa! Whoa! That's so high. It's the Eagle 57. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! It's going so high, it's 444! That's already a millimeter high! Oh, he gives up. Let's say thank you to the Eagles. Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is a wall. Eagle 57! It's a running dollar plane that is a 500 pounds. It's a flying double-decker roll and lights up in the dark. Eagle, believing better. And I was landing back in his Ellen City. Whoa, whoa. Let's see it land. Are you ready? Yes. You can see it probably because we're next to the helicopter. Wait for a while, please. He wants to take off again. Here he goes. And he wants to see his friends. Ready to land? Yes, he said yes. Come on then. It lands nice and safe. Wow, the Eagle Club is basic. Whoa, here it goes. Whoa, boo. He's landing. See you next time at the Eagle Phone Club. If you want to see us, go to Winkfield.